Need to save battery or switch your Samsung phone back to full performance? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you two easy ways to turn power saving mode on or off in just a few taps. Method 1. Using the settings menu. Begin by opening the settings applications page. Scroll down and tap battery, or on some Samsung devices, go to battery and device care and then select battery. Here you will find the power saving option. Simply tap the toggle switch next to it to turn the feature on or off. When power saving mode is enabled, your phone may reduce screen brightness, limit background apps, decrease CPU performance, and disable certain features like always on display to help your battery last longer. If you turn it off, your phone will return to its normal performance settings. Method 2. Using quick settings fastest. For a quicker option, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the notification panel. Swipe down once more to expand the full quick settings menu. Look for the power saving icon, which usually appears as a battery or leaf symbol. Tap the icon once to enable power saving mode. The icon will become highlighted or colored to indicate it's active. Tap it again whenever you want to disable the feature and it will return to its normal appearance. If you don't see the icon, tap the edit or pencil button in quick settings and add power saving to the panel for easier access in the future. And that's it. Your Samsung battery settings are now easier to manage. See you in the next video.